Hey there. So today I'm just making a quick video to show something I would normally do that is changing today. I would normally see a small amount of dishes like this, and I would leave them in the sink and say, oh, I'll do them later. And then before you know it, this turns into a big pile. So join me as I put all this away, clean up the few that are in the sink, and that's it. Small wins.
Little less living.
1:19. Let's see how long this takes. And I'm not rushing. I'm not somebody who likes to go fast, or I'm just going to make myself sick. So my normal speed. Yes, Misty, I'm talking to the camera. My cat is looking at me like I am nuts. Maybe I am. But I think this is an improvement, getting these dishes done. Because later me will think current me. Okay. Yep. I'm sorry if I look like hell's bells. I have been busy around the house today. And looking in the mirror is not something I tend to like to do anyway. Okay. That seems like a good view. I don't know if my head's going to get cut off, but the focus here is just getting these dishes done. Oh, I was just in the basement cleaning out my litter boxes, and it's underneath where the stairs go down and then they turn. And I was underneath that area, and it goes down, and I have to remember to lower my head, but I keep forgetting this is on my head, this hair, this bun thing. And yeah, when I was down there, I hit it and it grabbed my hair. So this is probably a big mess, and I haven't seen it yet. Whatever. I don't care right now. It's not perfect, it's real life. My little piggy, I love piggies. He's so cute. Happiness blooms from within. Do you guys believe that? I think we can make that choice, even though things can be hard sometimes. We have to focus on letting things defeat us or trying to rise above it. I'm not an expert, just saying my thought process. Oh, friends, guess what else I did today? I was upstairs changing and I saw my laundry, and I actually got it when it's just full. I don't know if it's been a week or a little bit more, but I said I would try to do it weekly so it doesn't pile up on me. And all I had was one basket, and it's in the washer right now. Good job, me. That is another thing I would normally put off and say, oh, I can just do it later, and then it would be 3 piles worth and I'd have no clothes to wear. So, you know, having this channel gives me motivation, because I can be like, oh, small wins. I can film a small win and then share it with people, and maybe that would motivate them. Motivate even one person. That's all that counts. And today is Sunday, so I guess I'm in my PJs. I'm in my PJs often because I don't usually go much of anywhere, so what's the point in dirtying up all my clothes? Patch. Hello? What you doing down there? What are you doing? Meow. I just fed you, right? Don't tell me you forgot already. Patchy, I think you're getting old age memory related issues. Or should I say old age related memory issues. You literally just ate. I went and cleaned the litter boxes, come back up from the laundry, and now you looking at me for more food. I'm sorry, you guys, my cats are crazy. Or they like to think I might forget and give them more. Like, that's not happening. I even remembered to switch out my towels and put those down there. I have to do it. That's actually a second load. I separated all the towels and all that little washcloths and stuff. So that's a second load. But that's like hot water, so it's not in with the other load. Normally I do just throw everything mixed together, but I am learning not to do that. This is kind of more like it's kind of like a YouTube channel. Not just for viewers, but for me, to help me and improve how I do things. And improve my mindset and stop being so lazy. Because I can be lazy. You know, I like to sit and doom scroll before I know it, it's nighttime and everything's piled up on me. Okay, well that's good enough. I don't know if I'm adding more to this video, so if I don't, I will see you later. Appreciate you being here. From mine as to yours. Take care. I will see you in the next one.